Happy first Halloween from our new house. I want to share with you how I decorated for Halloween with a much larger canvas, but on a much smaller budget. I didn't spend $1. Here's how. I saw this project on Instagram by the Salem Squad, and I did my own version. For this, I used a tomato plant cage, an old white sheet, felt circles, tape, twist ties, lights, and you can use any ball-shaped item, anything circular. First, I used the terracotta pot to secure the upside-down cage. It doesn't fit inside, so I put it on the outside and it kept it upright nicely. Then I put the cage legs inside the opening of the plastic pumpkin. You will use your twisty ties to secure the lights to the cage. Wrap around your cage several times to get ample, even coverage, and then you'll use the twisty ties to secure the lights in the corners of the cage. I wanted some on top of the ghost head, so wrapped and secured it with masking tape. I wrapped and tied those lights over and over until it felt really secure, and then I draped it with an old white sheet. I added black felt eyes, you can add a mouth if you want, and then I put one in our front yard and one on the balcony. I can't wait until dark. For a bat garland, I used my own template provided in the description below and placed the bat wing edge over the one next to it, and with a black thread and needle, tacked it down to secure. I tied a knot and cut the excess and repeated that for 7 bats in a row. To hang, I used painter's tape and rolled it into a thin roll, put it on the back of the end bat. I pressed to secure and repeated for the other end and the middle bat. 3 pieces of tape was enough to securely hang these garlands on my newly painted house without issue. For spiders, I printed a photo of a tarantula onto cardstock and I cut it out. I used that to trace several spiders onto stiff felt and cut that out. Then I added the hairy center circles and the hairy stripes on the legs. I hung these with painter's tape too, and voila! We can now welcome our trick-or-treaters to our new haunted house in style. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Mac for more ideas and give a comment if you want to see more videos from me. See you later. Bye.